Spartamax. Designed to help promote healthy body function and support extended energy levels. Claim your discounted Spartamax while stocks last. Introducing Spartamax. Spartamax is like nothing you've ever tried before. It's based off a closely guarded formula that's said to be able to transform your libido, your stamina, and your confidence. Ancient Spartans were some of the most virile men in history. They possessed strength, vigor, and unlimited sexual energy. And now, their secret has finally come to light. Order only through the official link. Spartamax is made for men who want a natural way to improve their energy and performance. With regular use, many men may begin to notice positive changes. This can include stronger and longer-lasting performance, improved stamina and endurance, and a boost in overall libido. But Spartamax isn't only about physical performance. It may also help support higher energy levels and greater confidence in everyday life. By supporting key aspects of male vitality, Spartamax aims to help men feel more active, more confident, and ready to take on their day. Overall, Spartamax offers a simple and natural approach to supporting male performance and well-being, making it a convenient option for men looking to improve their daily vitality. Inside every Spartamax gummy, you'll find a unique and rare blend of ingredients specifically included to transform your desire, your stamina, and your libido. L-arginine boosts nitric oxide production to enhance blood flow and firmness. Tongkat Ali supports natural testosterone levels and libido. Maca root fuels stamina, endurance, and vitality. Ashwagandha reduces stress and supports hormonal balance. Horny goat weed promotes circulation and libido enhancement. Beetroot enhances oxygen delivery and vascular performance. Grapeseed extract supports vascular health and responsiveness. Order only through the official link. For those interested, the official link is available in description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and helpful health content.